Hey guys, so I just did a Lowe's haul and I went there to save my cucumbers. Like, my cucumbers are dying. They're dying and I don't know why. So I looked up a YouTube video on like how to create like this natural pesticide thing. So it's made with neem oil, palm olive, natural soap, and a gallon of water and baking soda. So I'm gonna spray that on the leaves. I'm gonna show y'all how to make it and spray that on the leaves. Well, alrighty then. You will see that I struggled so hard with... Oh, I pushed it down. Smart.
Slow.
Yeah, I can't read directions, nor can I follow picture examples, apparently. Well, how do you stick it in? Well, how do you stick it in? As you can see, this is my first time for all of this, and I suck. Okay, loosen the nut.
To Sunday at 11:59.
Oh.
And I'm going to change my drop off to Sunday at 11:59. For those
The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of palm olive soap. Make sure you get all the soap into the gallon of water. Or beat it like an egg, or like that Michael Jackson song. The stuff on the top and bottom side of your plants, and you should be good. I don't know which one to spray first, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna spray the soap water first, and then the neem oil spray.
Oh, that's what that is.
Yeah.
Girl, I need that. Pick that up. I'm supposed to be a good cameraman.
I'm not. You're not doing a very good job right now.
Oh, but I am though. Because I'm from the news.
You're from the
I'm from the news. I get paid.
You do? You're too far for them to hear me properly.
Well, it looked like you close.
Did you zoom in?
No. Yeah, it's not zooming in.
I want you guys to know that after all this hard work and all this preparation and all this stress, the cucumbers still freaking died. Like, oh. You bad camera woman.
Oh.
Fired. I don't know if I told you guys about this plant here, but this used to be a healthy basil plant until I put it next to my apparently diseased cucumber plant. And I had no idea that a basil plant can get so infected so fast. So I'm gonna throw her away, and I bought a new basil plant today. So I hope it lasts and I hope it makes it. I'm being really extra cautious, so I'm gonna throw this away, wash my hands, and then put it where it needs to be. So wish it luck. I'll show you in the next clip. Become my mom in a sense that I've really just started enjoying like really pretty decorative flowers, like these orchids. We have 3 in the house now, and I just love them to death. They're so pretty. Here's my new basil plant and my succulent. So cute. And the other orchid, this was the first one that I bought for myself. It's so freaking pretty. I know this plant looks rough, but I promise it's new. It didn't last that long, as you will see, but it's new. And this is the plant my mom has been obsessed with and bought, and it's a gardenia. And I hope it sprouts to be something beautiful. Oh, look at my succulents in my room. I'm so excited about them because you know they require minimal care and they're just so freaking cute. So as you can see, the pineapple is now where the cucumbers used to be because I quit on them because I don't know how to grow cucumbers apparently. And it's been storming and raining a lot, so the plants keep falling down. So I had to reorganize them, as you will see later on in the video. So far though, the cayenne plants are thriving, the mint, the oregano, everything is pretty much alive, minus the grape plant. As you can see, it's, failing in the corner. If you know how to keep a grape plant alive, please let a sister know, because I don't know. Look at it. It's just sad. I'm about to move all the cayenne into like either one of those or this one. I might put 3 in there and then put that one in there. I feel like the cups are too small now and it's causing a lot of heartaches because they keep falling like when the rain comes. So let's do it. Apparently I can't keep basil plants alive either. Ooh, look at that oregano. I see you, girl. Look at you all green and whatever. I think they're ripe. So excited. They're so tiny though. I'm sad about that, but I'm so excited. I also pulled these from that plant. Hey, Jax. And everything else is looking good. Look, we got some banana peppers. I don't know where the peppers are for this one, but I need to see some. Hello. And then look at all the cayenne in there. It's like a cayenne jungle. And then the mint are doing good. Oregano doing good. I don't know, question mark. So yeah, pretty good.